Hi students, I am Sumalata. In today's class, I am going to teach you about writing of chemical structure of an organic molecule by seeing its name. Actually, in previous class, what we have learnt, how to write chemical name of an organic compound by seeing its structure. But here, reverse. By seeing its name, we have to write structure of an organic compound. Here, you have to remember 5 steps. Step 1 is what? Here, while seeing an organic compound's name, you should need to identify root word of that organic compound. See, root word. By seeing this root word, you can able to identify how many number of carbon atoms present in that principal carbon chain. Okay, this is the first step. Second step is what? Here you should need to give numbering from left to right or right to left. See, this is the second step. Third step is what? Third step is there any functional groups are present in that organic molecule or not? You have to identify. Okay. Third step is functional groups identification. Okay. The fourth step is you have to place these functional groups in their respective positions. And fifth step is what? After placing functional groups at their respective positions, you have to identify all carbon atoms are satisfied by their tetravalency or not. If not, you have to satisfy carbon atoms tetravalency in that molecule by placing hydrogen atoms or attaching hydrogen atoms to that particular carbon atom. Which carbon atom is not satisfied by tetravalency? Okay. Tetravalency of carbon atom satisfied by attaching hydrogen atoms. Okay. These are the 5 steps you have to remember while writing chemical structure of an organic compound. Then you can see some examples now here. The first example is 2-methyl pentane 3-vol. 2-methyl, is it visible? Okay. 2-methyl pentane 3-vol. Okay. See, here this is an organic compound's name. See, by observing this organic compound's name, you should need to identify root word. Here root word is the pentane. Pent means how many number of carbon atoms? 5 carbon atoms. So that this organic compounds principal chain having 5 carbon atoms. So you can write 5 carbon atoms: meth, eth, prop, but, pent. After that, second step is what? Give numbering: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, either left or right, anyone you can choose. After that, identification of functional groups. Here 2 functional groups are there. One is principal functional group, another one is a second grade functional group. Principal functional group is vol, OH. Second grade functional group is the methyl. Okay, so this methyl group is you have to place at second position of this principal chain, and this whole functional group you have to place at third position. See, after that, see, identification and attachment of functional groups finished. Then last step is tetravalency of carbon atom. You can check this carbon atom attaches with one more carbon atom, so remaining 3 hydrogen atoms you have to attach this carbon atom. For this carbon atom, 2 hydrogens, this one hydrogen, this one. For this one, 3 hydrogens. See, this is the 2-methyl pentane 3-volt students. Chemical structure of this organic compound. So next example is 2-bromo 3-ethyl penta 1,4-diene. 2-bromo 3-ethyl penta 1,4-diene. Okay, so here also same thing you have to do first. Pent is the root word, so 5 carbon atoms: meth, eth, prop, but, pent. Say numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Identification of functional groups. See, second position 1 bromine, Br. Ethyl is the third position. Ethyl is nothing but C2H5. This is the ethyl. Okay, next one is first place 1 double bond and fourth place 1 double bond. So after that tetravalency, see here it is having 2 bonds, so that you have to attach 2 more hydrogens. For this one only 1 hydrogen, because it is already attached with 3 bonds. Here 1 double bond, there 1 single bond. This carbon needs 1 more hydrogen. This carbon doesn't need any hydrogen, but this carbon needs 2 hydrogens. Okay, this is about 2-bromo. See, 2-bromo 3-ethyl pentane 5 carbon atoms 1,4-diene. See, 1 double bond and a second double bond. This is the structure of this molecule. You can see some more examples. See, next example you can see 3-bromo 2-chloro 5-oxo hexanoic acid. Okay, see here hexane is the root word, so you can write carbon atoms: meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex. 6 carbon atoms. You can give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, functional groups. Okay, here at second place 1 chlorine atom, at third place 1 bromine atom, and at fifth place 1 oxo group is nothing but a keto functional group, C double bond O. Oic acid is the carboxylic acid functional group, COOH. You have to attach at first place, because it is the carbon atom of carboxylic acid functional group. You have to place it in the main principal carbon chain, because this is the chain terminating functional group. Okay, see next one, you have to satisfy tetravalency of a carbon atom. This one doesn't need, this one need 2 hydrogen atoms, this one need 1 hydrogen, this one need 1 hydrogen. See, this is the structure of 3-bromo 2-chloro 5-oxo hexanoic acid, C, COOH functional group. Okay, now coming to this one, here also 6 carbon atoms: meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, students. Okay, next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At third place 1 NH2 group, amino group is nothing but NH2 group. At second place 1 bromine, and first place 1 OH functional group, alcoholic functional group. Okay, next one you can satisfy tetravalency. CH2, this needs only 1, this one also needs 1, this one needs 2 hydrogen. C, 3 amino 2 bromo hexane 1 vol. Okay, this is the structure of this organic molecule. Next one, here you can come here in this molecule but, so 4 carbon atoms. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3,4 dichloro. So at third place, fourth place you have to place 2 chlorine atoms. But 1 in, at first place 1 double bond is there. Next one, tetravalency, satisfaction you have to see. Here it needs 1, it needs 1, it needs 2 hydrogens. Okay, see, 3,4 dichloro bute 1 ene. This is the structure of this organic molecule. This is about how to write structure of an organic molecule by seeing its name. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos to your known people. Um, Mention your words in comment box. I want to receive your suggestions also. If any doubt you have, just post in a comment box. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next class, students. Bye. I love you.